So I got a lot of games from GameStop. One of them, Call of Duty 2, because this game, when I put the disc in for Call of Duty 2, it makes a very concerning loud sound, like as it's spinning in there. Like it sounds really not good. It sounds like it's ruining the disc. I almost don't even want to put it in. But it's only with Call of Duty 2. Let's just start with Bioshock. So I put Bioshock Infinite in there. Okay, it's in there snug. And if I close the tray, hear that faint noise? There's all that like shuffling around, like that kind of. I'll just put the phone next to the Xbox. Now we try Call of Duty 2. This is the one that I've been having problems with. Call of Duty 2. Now, just the difference is, I'm honestly worried that, I'm worried this is ruining the disc. I don't know. I'm just gonna demonstrate what happens when I do this. Okay, so it's not damaging it. I think these marks, these scratches were here when I, it's a pre-owned game, so I think it's just how it's just how it is, so